DSLCC's Student Canvas Learning Management System. Canvas is a web-based learning management system that is used by learning institutions, educators, and students to access and manage online course learning materials. All DSLCC students have a Canvas learning management system. You can access your Canvas learning management system by logging on to the My Dabney portal, which can be found on DSLCC's webpage. To access your Canvas, you will need your My Dabney username and password. Each student has a unique username and password. If you do not know your username and password, please contact DSLCC's Technical Services Department. Once you are logged into the My Dabney portal, you will have access to various student resources and services. One of those is your Canvas Learning Management System. Inside the Canvas course shell, you will see your dashboard. It will have a list of each current course that you are in. Sometimes these will be in list view, other times they will be in card view. To enter each course, you would click on that course. Within each course, you will have access to course materials, grades, syllabus, instructor information, announcements, 24/7 tutoring, messaging, and much more. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the Canvas course at the beginning of each semester. Remember to check your Canvas course regularly. Best wishes for a successful semester.